Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you doing? Uh, let's start. Today I am going to show you some projects that I did last week. So in last week I showed you this, right? So this is the finished one, and I'm going to add a name here as per the requirement. Now next frame is I made some photo frames like this. You can use these photo frames in shadow box, and you can use 5 by 7 photo in this photo frame. I have one more photo frame which is like this. I made some flowers with quilly, leaves and birds. And one more special one is this Mother's Day special frame. The size of this frame is 8 by 10 inches, and it will come with black or white frame. So today I am going to use two cameras. Yes, last time it was little bit difficult for me to show you some details what I am doing. So this is the first time I am trying these two cameras with StreamYard. So I don't know how it will work. So let's start. Last week, you learned basic shape, tight coil, and I showed you how to make this simple flower. So you can make this kind of flowers with tight coil. Now today, I will show you how to make second shape. It's called loose coil. So take one strip. You can use any color strip. And again, feel the strip and find out the rough side of the strip and face that rough side towards you. And this is the slotted tool. Insert the strip inside the slot and keep little tiny bit paper out, and then roll it like this. Hold your fingers very lightly. Don't press it. Now we have to make a loose coil, so we are not gonna glue this paper strip on the uh, tool. We are gonna remove it and then let it open. So I am done with rolling strip. So for the tight coil, we use glue and glued it here. But now we are gonna remove this like this and keep it on the table. Let it open. And you can take this coil and take tiny bit of glue and put it at the end and hold it like this. Hold it for a few seconds. Oops. You have to hold it for a few seconds, otherwise it will not glue it. It will pop up again. And you have to use tiny bit glue. If you use lot of glue, after some time, some tiny white pieces, you will see the white pieces that extra glue. So just use tiny bit glue and hold it for few seconds. Hi Preeti, how are you? So this is loose coil. So this is tight coil flower and this is loose coil. Let me show you again. If you are doing it, take one strip, insert strip inside the slot and then roll it gently. And if your strips are big, for practice, you can just use half strip and make these shapes. Now just hold coil like this and remove it and keep it on the table and let it open. And if you hold this coil on the tool for a long time, your coil will not open like this. It will become very small. So don't hold the coil on the tool for a long time. Just hold it for few seconds and then remove it. So tight coil and loose coils are the basic shapes. With these basic shapes, we will use we will make different shapes. Now I will show you how to make same size loose coils. For that, we will use circle sizer. You may have this kind of circle sizer or just a regular circle sizer. It will be just like a pen scale. Any circle sizer is fine. It has different size circles. So this row is same circle size. This is another row with different size circles. So let's see how you can make same size circles, loose coils. So just same thing, take strip, roll it, and remove it. Now decide which size circle you want to make. I want to make this size circle. So I'm going to put this tight coil inside that circle and let it open. Now I'm going to roll one more strip. And then again, I'm going to put in the same size circle. Like this, you can roll different strips to make same size circles or same size loose coils. Now take a tiny bit glue and find out the loose part of the strip. Put tiny bit glue and hold it like this for a few seconds, or you can just keep this like this and push it. Now, oops, again, if it opens, it's fine. You can just hold in the hand, roll it again, and keep it back. Find the loose end, put glue, and keep this for a few minutes so that it will dry completely. So with these loose coils, you can make small flowers. For flower, you can make a small loose coil in the middle and little bit bigger loose coil for the petals. Or you can make bugs, caterpillar, or Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Let me show you. I made that Mickey Mouse with tight coil, but you can make that with loose coil also, like this. So here I use tight coils, but you can use loose coils also, and you can make this Mickey Mouse. And you can make small things, and you can use those things to decorate your greeting card, or you can make small bookmarks. So today you learn loose coils, how to make same size loose coils. From next time, I'm going to show you more shapes. For that, you need to make loose coils. So loose coil is the basic shape. You have to do practice a lot for to make loose coils. Once you are good with loose coils, you can make any shapes. So next time, if you want to do some shapes with me, please make extra loose coils so that I can show you different shapes easily, and we can make a small project uh, in that 10 minutes. So that's it for today. Thanks for coming. Good night. Bye.